Courtesy of your Miami Realtors, you now have access to Miami Broker Open House. Broker Open House is free from Miami. Allow brokers and members to search for broker open houses in their area of interest. This page is accessible through the Miami Gateway. A broker's open house is different. It is a showing of a property to real estate agents and not home buyers. The broker's open house is meant to help brokers and agents determine whether the house would be of interest to their customers. These open houses are generally held during the week as opposed to a standard open house, which is on the weekend. Miami offers its members a site to easily search and find broker open houses in their area. miamibrokeropenhouse.com. The benefits of a broker open house are twofold. On the one hand, they serve as an opportunity to debut your home to the industry, and on the other hand, they're a reliable source for feedback on your home. Take advantage of this by deciding and knowing when a broker open houses are held by searching through this page. Note that you may want to invite those that have already shared your listing. Generate a list of your peers that are sharing your listing by running a reverse prospecting report. Thank you for being a Miami member. Always more with Miami.